Hey there and welcome to today's video. If you use Snapchat and care about your privacy, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the option that uses places you've tagged in your stories or marked as favorites to recommend places to your friends. Let's begin. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Map. Tap on Map to continue. In the map settings, look for the option that says Use places I've tagged in my story posts or favorited to recommend places to friends. Toggle this option off to stop Snapchat from using your tagged or favorite locations for recommendations. That's it. Your setting has been updated. Thanks for watching. Turning off this setting gives you better control over your location data. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more clear and simple app tutorials. See you soon!